Hello guys, how you doing? Jo Barnes here again, and this video is going to very quickly show you how you can create a nicer link than this affiliate link here. Okay, this is your link. You've put in your ClickBank ID, you've chosen which page you want to do, you've generated your affiliate link, and now you've got this piece of code here, but that's not very pretty, is it? So really we want to create a link that is much prettier, that people actually are going to want to click on. Yeah. So there are a few ways to do this. One of the first ways we can do is we can shorten it. So we simply copy that link there and we go into a little tool called Bitly. I'm sure many of you have heard about Bitly, and you can basically just go in, put your link in there, and it automatically gives you a shortened link. Okay, that's not too pretty either, really, is it? So you can customize it, and we could call that Bitly 2000 fans. I don't know whether that's been taken or not. That keyword is taken. Wow, somebody's already 2,000 fans in 27 days, let's say. Let's see, there you go, there you go. So now that would be a better link, okay, to Bitly, 2,000 fans in 27 days, and you'd need to go away and decide on what your shortened link would be. Now that is a great way for using Twitter, if you want shorter links in Twitter. So you can go and you can customize it, you can go and tweet this and say, hey, just taken this great course, check out, you know, this link here, and of course you can then customize it and call it whatever you want. So that is one way of doing it, and Bitly is simply http://bit.ly/. You just have to sign in, yeah, and create a little account for yourself, and you can go and do that. I'll put these links obviously underneath this video. So that's way one. Way two is to basically do it within your domain name registrar. So I've actually created domain names. So for instance, I've got one of mine is tryfanpageengine.com. Another one of my affiliate links for Chris's site is trychrisfarrellmembership.com. And I've got a few others that are try. So you might go in and choose to purchase a domain name, which might be try2000fansin27days.com if somebody else hasn't beaten you to it. I haven't got it, so first one out there, you know, go get it. So that might be what you decide to do, and then once you purchase that domain name, you can then go into something called web forwarding. Okay, and you can go down and you can decide to click on non-framed web forwarding, okay, because that is the only way. I don't truly understand what all those terms mean, I have to be honest with you, but it does mean if you try any other of them, then it means that your affiliate code sometimes doesn't get, it just doesn't work properly. So do make sure you do non-framed web forwarding, okay, and then you would simply put in the URL in here, you'd put in this affiliate promotion link there, straight into that box, okay, and then put the title, which would be try 2,000 fans in 27 days, and click save, update, and boom, all of a sudden you've web forwarded a domain name that you have chosen specifically. That personally is my favorite. That's what I use. Yeah, I do create lots of web forwarding, but that does mean obviously that you've got to invest in your own domain name, but I like that because it means I can pick the domain name that I want to use. So that's a good one. And then last but not least, you can do something called cloaking your link. Okay, now if you're a member of Chris Farrell's membership site, then he has some great cloaking software on his site that you can go in and use for free, and there's full training videos and everything on there that you can go and use Chris's cloaking site. I've found this little tool actually, which seems quite cool, and I'll just very quickly show you how it works. Basically, we go over here and we copy our affiliate link, and we go in here and we just put our affiliate link in there, okay? This then generates us some files, and then what you do is you would download one of these files, okay? So for instance, I'm going to take this redirect file here with the hidden URL. I'm not going to go through what all of these different ones mean, because to be honest with you, I'm not entirely sure. You know, link cloaking is quite new to me, so you need to have a good look at this and Google it, or as I say, go onto Chris's site where he has a whole load of training videos and exactly how link cloaking works. But this is good enough. You save this redirect file onto your computer, and then what you need to do, this is going into the details of having an FTP client and all that kind of stuff, which I'm not going to go through in this video, but if you wanted to, then what you'd simply do is you'd upload this file onto your web server, yeah, underneath whatever web address you want. And then this is what happens. I uploaded it this morning onto joebarnesonline.com, okay? And the file is called redirect.html. And then you click on that, and that takes me through to the sales page. There it is. There's the sales page. Okay, and you've actually been able to load it up onto your own web address there. And also you could, of course, rename that HTML page before you upload it. So you could call it whatever your name is, whatever your web address is, / likes 2000 fans in 27days.com or something. So link cloaking looks pretty cool to me. It looks a good way to go. And if we go down here to the add to cart button and click on that, then that should take us through to our ClickBank page. And at the bottom of our ClickBank page, that should bring us up to our affiliate link. There it is, 5 or 10. Okay, so I will put these 3 links. I use 123reg.com. Obviously, you can use whatever domain registrar you use. Sorry, 123reg.co.uk. I'll put these 3 links to bit.ly, 123reg and acloaker.com underneath this video. If you want to learn a bit more about what link cloaking is all about, then obviously Google it, YouTube it, or as I said, if you're a Chris Farrell member, then go and have a look at all his training videos. So hopefully that's going to have helped you create the link you want to be able to go out and start to promote this product. All right, guys, thanks very much. See you on the next video.